Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to fix could not connect to iCloud. So basically, if you can get the verification codes, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings and then you just have to simply go to Wi-Fi. Now after that, make sure that you are not using any proxies, so you can simply tap on it, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down to configure proxy and see if it's any connected or not. Now another way to fix this is to simply disable the airplane mode, and then after that, if you still have this problem, you're gonna have to simply contact the Apple support. So as you can see, you can chat with them or you can call them. So you just have to simply search for contact Apple support, and after that you just have to simply click on Apple account. Now here you can simply pick any of these options, it doesn't matter, and after that you just have to simply tap on the chat button. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.